Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P and this is day 7 of my birthday saga, and I am so in love with this makeup right now. Sorry guys, yesterday I couldn't post a video because I was doing double at my job. Yes, yesterday I worked 16 hours at my job and I was just I couldn't film and I couldn't edit and I couldn't do nothing throughout the entire weekend. So I missed the day yesterday. So today is supposed to be day 8, but yeah, yes, I'm sorry, but today is day 7 and this is a look that I came up with. This is a very fall slash holiday look, and this is very pretty. It looks so natural but kind of dramatic at the same time because of my lips, and I am loving this. And yeah, I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget to subscribe before we start this video. Turn on the bell right next to the subscribe button, because if you don't, you will never get a post or a link from me, because I don't know what's up with YouTube. They're acting up, all of that nonsense. So please turn on that bell. And yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did my foundation and brow off camera. I used the Benefit Goof Proof in 4.5 to do my eyebrow, and I used the MAC NW45 to do my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead, and today I'm going to be cream contouring. Yes, me, cream contour. But I will be cream contouring, and I'm using the Fenty in Expresso to do that. So what I normally do is I just heat it up, like, put it in the back of my hand, just like that, just rub it in. And then what I have on my hand, that's what I use to do the cream contour. So where's my brush? So I'm going to take this flat top brush right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just swoop, just like that. And I am not a contour person. Like, I'm not a cream contour person. I like powder. I just love the way how powder look on me. And today I'm gonna do something different. So I'm really gonna snatch today. I am gonna snatch, okay? Especially my nose. I'm gonna let my nose be a little bit smaller. And then for my concealer, I'm gonna take this. This is ColourPop in Deep Golden, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it under my eyes. And you guys realize that I did not do my eyes as yet. I did nothing to my eyes, and normally when I do my makeup I always start with my eyes, but I'm trying to switch it up. You gotta switch it up sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the contour first, and this is the brush that I use for my foundation. And I'm going to slightly just blend it in and bring it all the way up. Not down, up. Feather it up. And then I'm going to take another brush right here and do the nose. So next I'm going to go into my damp beauty blender and start blending. I normally leave under my eyes last because I really want the concealer to really like sit for a little bit. So that's what I always do. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna powder my face. My Laura Mercies finish, oh my god, it's a little bit left. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer so after I set my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set that contour, because if you're doing cream contour, you have to set it with a powder contour. Or if you're doing a powder contour, you don't need to set it. So I'm going to take my NYX, and I'm telling you, from I've been using this, I have been loving it so much. And I'm going to go ahead and set, if I could find my brush, sorry. I'm going to go ahead and set that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a little brush, just like this, and I'm setting my nose. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC finishing powder in NW45, and I'm going to go ahead and brush off all the powder. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go ahead and start my eyes. I'm going to go in with this 2 palette here from the Juvia's Place. Man, I just love it so much, and I need to get more because they have new in stock. And I haven't gotten any more yet, so I need to get some more. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going with the flow right now. And I don't know what color I'm going to come up with, but if you see the intro, then you know exactly the color that I come up with. But right now, I don't know. So I'm just going with the flow. So right now, I'm going to go into Ada, A-D-A, Ada. And I'm going to take it onto a brush here. And go ahead and just blend it. And I'm taking it a little bit up where my crease is, a little bit. And I'm also going to blend it into the crease. And as I had mentioned, guys, if you do want me to do a makeup tutorial, or you want me to try a new palette that is out in the market and you want to see, you know, if it's worth the hype and all of that stuff, just leave it in the comment section. Let me know if you want me to do certain makeup. I'm still taking the same color. And yeah, just let me know. Let's be friends, let's talk, let's sit down and chit chat, and let's create art, because makeup is all about creating art and having fun at the same time. So just let me know if you see something that you want me to try that is new, or you just want me to do a makeup look that you want to try but you're not sure if it's going to come out good, or you're not sure how to do it, you know, stuff like that, you know, anything, you know, just let me know in the comment section. So next I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take another color out of this palette, and I'm going to go in and deepen up the crease just a little bit. And I'm going to take this shade right here. This one doesn't have any name at all, so I'm just taking this bottom shade right here, brush it off. It's kind of gray black. It's not too black, it's not too gray. I don't know if it's showing on camera, but this is the one. And I'm going to put it right here and just blend it in only at the side, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the other palette, and I'm going to take that first shade and just blend out the top part, because sometimes when you're blending in another color, the first color might disappear just a little bit. So I just want to blend it in up just at the top and connect it with the other shadow that I put on. Alright, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Giza, right here, onto a flat top brush. And I'm going to put it underneath my brow bone just to get that highlight. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into this nice, I don't know what to call this shade because this palette doesn't have any name on it like the other one, but I know this palette is super pigmented. You not even need any concealer, nothing at all, but I'm definitely gonna wet my brush because I want it to be really sparkly today. So I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's very metallic. No, but this is very metallic copper gold, very good for dark complexion. And then on top, like right here in the crease, whatever line, wherever you call it, I don't know what you call this thing, I swear, but I'm gonna take this one right here. So I'm gonna go in with this first and then this on top, and I'm gonna put that right onto the line. Look how pigmented this is, like seriously, this is so pigmented, and I did not even wet my brush. So I'm gonna go in without wetting my brush on this eye first, and then the next eye I'm gonna wet it just to see how it look. I know for sure it's gonna pop like crazy. Like, look at it right now, just look. Okay, zoom in and look, so pretty. And then I'm gonna take, I'm gonna take the Mario Badescas, spray my brush, and then I'm gonna take the same one, I don't know if you could see the difference on camera, but I could. Like, this one is more vivid, like it's more brighter. Yeah, it is. I don't know if you can see it, but this one is more brighter when I wet my brush. You know, it's so pretty. I will never ever stop using the Juvia's Place palette or the Morphe, never. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off that one because I'm gonna use that same brush. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wet it again, and I'm gonna take that other color that I showed you first, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm not gonna bring it all the way up to the other one, just right here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So next I'm gonna go ahead and the first color, I'm sorry, I'm making so much noise. You don't want to see in front of me at all. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend out the top part just a little bit, you know, just blend it in. Okay, so I do have a little teeny bit of fallout, just a little bit. I don't know if you could see it on camera because it's such a little bit. And I'm gonna dust it off. Okay. So next I'm gonna go into my NYX. I'm not doing any wing today. I'm only gonna put a line just to hide the lash band. Next I'm gonna go into my mascara, and you guys already know what mascara I'll be using. Can you guess? Let me give you 3 seconds. Yes, you guys already know. Man, I just love this so much. If you don't have it, you guys need to go to Ulta and get it. Alright, so while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm also gonna take this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use both and just smoke it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia in, what is it, blush trio? Yeah, cocktail party. And just do a little blush. So next I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Revolution. Oh, I love spraying my face. I love it. Then I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender just to soak it in my skin. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take my Fenty. I've been using this a lot. And I'm just loving it again. So I'm gonna take both of them. This is Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, just look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. This is super pretty. If you don't have this, I don't have the new one. I don't. Okay, I gotta wait until I have money because I don't get PR. Okay, I don't get PR, so I gotta wait until I have extra money. Alright, so for my lips, I'm gonna go into this Kat Von D, and this one is called Vampira. And I'm gonna take this lip liner, and this one is called Red Cherry. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fix myself up, put some clothes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this day 7th birthday saga, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow of me so you can see how I get more looks for my birthday. And also don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what makeup look you want me to do next. What palette do you want me to get so I could do a review on it.